could be a game changer in the Middle East and ultimately in our investment. The U.S. military is exploring the possibility of using a Red Sea port in Saudi Arabia and an additional 2 airfields in the kingdom due to heightened tensions with Iran. The U.S. military said this on Tuesday. I am getting mixed signals from Washington. However, the reunite with Iran may not be the new administration's final decision. Now, this next article may explain it all. This article comes from the New York Times and may help to explain what is happening, what is really happening between Iran and Saudi Arabia. Now listen to the words carefully. Iran-backed militants in Iraq are feared to have opened a new front against Saudi Arabia after a second suspected drone attack in less than 4 days over the capital of Saudi Arabia. A double blast was heard above the city in Saudi Arabia on Tuesday morning. Witnesses said there appeared to have been some kind of missile interception. Now, the reason that I'm reading to you in slow, emotional way is because I want you to hear the words, Iran-backed militants, but they're in Iraq and they are suspected of attacking Saudi Arabia.